What is backend? In simple words, backend helps the user to connect with us and actively become a part of our website or application. Backend is nothing but the server side of our website. Backend is completely hidden from the user and the user cannot see it. Backends allow the user to sign in and sign out of our website. It helps the admin to track the user. With the help of backend, we can easily connect a database if we want to store the user information. So various types of backend languages are PHP, C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, Python, and various types of frameworks that are used for backend development are Spring, Django, Laravel, and Express.js.